Rose Crystal, and I'm back with another episode of Stardew Valley. It has been a long time since I've played Stardew Valley, and naturally, I kind of forgot how to play. So, I'm gonna spend this episode trying to get back into the swing of things, and I also have a nice, important announcement, but I'll do that once I get into the game. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Oh, cool. That's right. I upgraded my equipment. Anyway, what I wanted to announce is that I'm gonna try and do some side stuff, not side quests specifically, but trying to get oh wait, hang on. That's right. I play with the controller now. I'm gonna get some side stuff ready, and that I'm gonna try to restore the greenhouse. That will allow us to do year-round crops, so that way, every time the season comes around, I won't lose my crops. The greenhouse will protect them. It's going to be a long time until they get the greenhouse, but I may as well start. But we're going to start this off by getting my copper axe, which should be at the blacksmith. It's been a long time so if I'm wandering for the first couple of minutes, I apologize, because yeah, it's been a bit. That's all I'm saying. I have not played Stardew Valley in a long time, and just watching my old videos really put me back into the swing. I'm like, let's go play it. I mean, like, we haven't played it in a while, so I may as well. And now you can actually hear me with the microphone, so the BGM doesn't drown me out. So, that's also good. So until 9 a.m. I'm gonna get some crops going, and then I will come back with my copper axe, because I can't really do much of that. Yeah, her, Marnie's Rich. I have no idea if I pronounced that right. I apologize to anyone who has a name if I mispronounced it. Because it's been a bit. And I don't know how to pronounce that name. I just realized how low on cash I am. Holy heck. It has been a very long time since I've played. I don't think I've played since June. And since I don't play unless I'm recording, yeah, it's been since June since I've played this game. Holy cow. Oh, there we go. You can just take it. I didn't know if you had to talk to him. Okay, cool. How much will it take to upgrade the rest, though? A steel axe, copper hoe, copper trash can. Okay, that's all we can afford. And 2,000, okay. So the next one might be a copper pickaxe since I don't use the hoe as much. I don't know. We'll think about it when we get there. It's not too expensive. Actually, yeah, since we're going to be working towards the greenhouse routes, we might want to get some money first. Because we're not going to get far without money. We just aren't. And my crops aren't anywhere near growing yet. So we'll have to do that first. Again, the greenhouse will take multiple episodes, but that's going to be my goal for right now. As for how I know what to do, my mom printed out something from the wiki, so that way I can look at it whenever I need to. So right now we're just looking for normal stuff I'm growing so far, like parsnip, potatoes, green beans, all them. And you have to get all the bundles and put them in the community center. We're slowly going to upgrade over time, but of course it's not my main priority. So I'm going to go down to the first floor and let's do it. It's been a while, so pardon me if I forget the controls because it's been a while. I know I'm going to say that a lot, but it's true. So the Adventurer's Bundle will help us restore the boiler room. So we need 99 slime, 10 bat wings, solar essence, and void essence. I have no idea where to get solar essence and void essence. We may have to go deeper into the mine for that. I'll definitely need a stronger pickaxe if we're gonna get further in. Upgrading my tools is definitely going to be another priority that I need to do. Because if I'm going to be down here for a while to get all the bundles, we're definitely going to have to get stronger equipment. Because right now I'm like below half energy and that's not good, considering we're only on floor 3. Honestly, I don't think we should risk it anymore. Let's go back up. It's already 6 p.m. I really shouldn't risk it. Alright, once again, I'll meet you guys over there, because you don't need to see me walk back and forth, do you? Alright, I'm back. Nope. No, I didn't want to do that. There we go. Alright. Oh, let's keep the geode. I didn't think we picked one up, but let's put the topaz in here for now, because the coal and everything else is super important. Slime in here for now. Keep the coal and everything to ourselves. Make some more torches, definitely. That's a definite. Wood and sap. Do I have enough? I know I have plenty of wood. But sap. Oh, I need to put that in my inventory. Otherwise it's not going to count it. Because you can have as much stuff as you'd like. You just need to have it. Let's not waste all the sap, shall we? Alright. We won't get much in terms of money with just topazes, so... There we go. Is wheat important in terms of gameplay right now? Yes, it is for the bundle of bulletin boards. So right now I'm not really concerned with the bulletin board. Again, like I said, I'm working on the greenhouse bundle, so we'll just sell this for now. Wait, shoot, why did I sell that? I needed... Bro, I needed that for the thing, I need that for the, yeah. Coop. Yeah. I don't know English today, okay? There we go. Honestly, growing that stuff really helps me out. I should water this stuff. Maybe pay a visit down to the farm to get more farm animals. Definitely. It's still gonna be a project clearing out everything here, because right now it looks like a jungle. So a little game plan I got going is that if I have any hay left over, I'm gonna just sell it, honestly. You know, it'd be really nice if you could fast travel. I've been playing a lot of other games that involve fast traveling, so when I come back to playing a casual game like Stardew Valley, I'm like, I want to fast travel. But obviously that doesn't work out. I mean, it looks like fast traveling to you guys because I cut off the footage and then relocated, but regardless, it ain't fast traveling for me, I'll tell you that much. Thankfully, I've been pretty much everywhere at this point that I know where the museum is. I mean, I should know at this point. I mean, we're at summer already, so I should know. Actually, I think I should go on a deeper floor right now. Maybe floor 10? Area is infested, okay. Aw, frick off, I hate you. I remember you. Remember my pretty face? I've got no idea how annoying that sound is in headphones. And off. Okay, so you can get sap from these guys. I didn't realize that. That was just from the trees. Oh, that's a big slime. That's a big slime. I get a bunch of big baby slimes out of that. Heck off. I got 2 words for you. Frick off. Oh heck, what was that? I don't like that sound. Oh nice, I didn't realize I was doing the little challenges. I think I would. Right down to half HP. I really shouldn't risk it going any further. Go down one more floor and see. Should risk it. Let's go back up. If the Adventurers Guild is still open, May as well go and visit. Got a grape. There you go. Level 4 sword. Not very pleasant to wield. So we got 2 speed, 2 crit chance. Do you have to carry that with you in order to have its effects? Most likely. When I get more inventory space, that will definitely be something I need to carry with me. Okay, so you can't sell this. You can't. Clear and sunny, good. There you go, level 3 farming. New crouching speed, bee house speed grow. Nice. Always good. We got the most money from selling peppers, which is always a good thing. I'm gathering data on the correlation between soil alchemy and crop photosynthesis. Long story short, I need a fresh milk from my farm. I want to be very good. That's the thing, I don't know anybody in this game, so. I have a lot of reading recipes, I don't really think I need the eggs much of anything. Anyone can tell me otherwise in the comments, but I don't think I really need them for much. I think we're already low on energy, that's insane. So from right now, even though I said my goal is the greenhouse, we're nowhere near it. We have to get hot peppers, tomatoes, blueberries, and melons. So I may want to take a visit to oh, there we go. I realized I was going to go. Anyway, take a visit to the store because that might have the stuff I need, most likely. And I just need to pay some of the bundles. That's all the thing is telling me to do. Upgrading my tools and getting the bundles, the equipment required for the bundles is priority number 1. Because in summer you won't be able to get this stuff, so we may be able to. I mean, in fall. Yeah, in fall you won't be able to get much. Spring crops, they won't be in for much longer, so I may want to grab them while I can. 9 a.m., okay. I don't want to use up too much energy right now. So no cutting trees for right now. I also don't want to go to the mine because you know time disappears when we go there. So we are going to continue harvesting the eggs when we get some more hay. And then we'll make our way back to the store. It's not Wednesday, it's Sunday. Alright. So from here we need to pick up tomatoes, blueberries, and melons. I can't promise I'll grow them all in this episode, but we can at least get a start on it. 10,000, yeah, that's gonna be good. Tomatoes, blueberries, and melons. Beautiful. That took out most of my money, but that's okay. That's worth it because we're gonna take on the bundle quest. Now I just hope it's summer long enough and that my money didn't just go to waste. Join you guys when I get back to the mine. Alright, we're back. Let them grow, they will be an annoyance for you. That's really nice. I don't know why I just walked right into it. Okay, it's still infested, so we can't get out of here, unfortunately. That's okay, there's a couple of slimes. There we go. Oh, quartz. Wait, that's not quartz, is it? It is. Okay. I thought it was. It looked different on my end, on my screen. It might look white to you guys, but it looked like slightly purple to me. I thought it was something different. That's why I called it like that. guys. They're annoying when they're grown. Gonna need that. I don't know about you, but I think we found ourselves a nice haul today, so. So you guys remember that episode where I was like 1 hit point from dying? Apparently it's a good thing I didn't die because, according to my mom, she died during that stuff. In the game, of course. She's still alive, obviously. yeah, let's just move on to my mom dying. No, in the game. So she passed out in the mines and lost all her stuff. Somebody took it, they took the player character back to their house, but she lost everything. Oh, she was so mad. But thankfully, that did not happen to me, otherwise I'd be really mad, because, again, I don't play without recording, so if I, like, have an empty inventory, I'm gonna be really mad. So, that was just a fun story, since I was already down there in the mine anyway. But let's go back to what we have. I think I'm going to end today's episode after I turn everything in, because honestly, I don't want to keep these episodes going for like an hour or so unless I'm like really committed to a project, and right now we're just getting off our feet. So, let's do that then. The amethyst, the quartz, the topaz, fiber, this. Keep a slime, sap, and everything else there for ourselves, because we're putting together a project. Plenty of copper, that's not an issue. And let's turn ourselves in, shall we? Wait, did I get the water for the dog today? I might have not. I didn't. Okay. Alright, that's nice. That's a nice thing to end off. Level 4 combat. Okay. Alright, so that's the end of this episode. So if you guys want to see the rest of Stardew Valley and that bundle project as soon as possible, please give the video a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye guys!